My name is Professor Molly Goldstein. I have just finished my first year in the Department of ISE. But before that, I was actually an undergrad in this department and a master's student, and I TA'd the course that I'm currently teaching right now. It is, I think, a phenomenal project. Students start by getting plans for their building, so any of the architectural plans, the blueprints, and some of these, if you can imagine, for classes or for buildings across the university, are really old. So some of these, the students go in and think, really, is this what this building is like? That's part of their project. They do a site visit, and often multiple site visits, to see if their plans match up with what is currently there. If this building, built in the early 1900s, actually has this set of stairs still down the middle of the building. So students do a little bit of site visit to see what is there. Very early in the semester, they start with their architectural plans, getting everything, all of the main elements set in place, and then they start, as they learn more tools throughout the semester, keep building their building. And by the end of the semester, after they've gotten all of the main features of their building in place, they work on getting these realistic renderings of the building. So adding things like, in one of your large lecture halls, what are the chairs like in there? What's the projector like? What's the lighting like? And when they present this, they have their entire building file, and then also present a nice walkthrough, so an animated walkthrough of what it's like to walk through this building. It's really neat. I think this is a really unique class. Partially because it is such the intersection of a liberal education of what we want students to be able to know and do broadly, outside of just a core specific technical skill like modeling in a specific software. So we really focus on spatial visualization skills in this class that we see that engineers are typically pretty good at this, but they can get a lot better. These are malleable skills. I still see that students are very interested in getting to model buildings that they can go into. So Professor Lake, looking at the buildings and initiating this with buildings on campus, was, I think, brilliant, and something that I certainly want to continue that tradition of. Getting to work with this group of students has been absolutely amazing.